Dear passengers, welcome aboard the little train K3418. This train will pass through Snow Mountain, desert, grassland. The train is about to depart. Please sit tight and hold on. Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Examine the luggage. Dangerous utility knife. Pointed scissors. Firework. Well done! You found all the dangerous items. Where would you like to sit? Thank you. The train is approaching Snow Mountain. Please take all your belongings and get off in an orderly manner. Wow, we can build a snowman now. So cold. Please help me put on a warm coat and gloves. Tap the tick button and go roll a snowball. Now I'm ready. Let's go and build a snowman. Roll the snowball to make it bigger. Great! Now we've made the body of the snowman. Next, let's find some branches to make the snowman's arms. Find some branches to make the arms for the snowman. Wow! You found all the branches! Drag the branches and stick them in the snowball. Let's choose a pair of beautiful eyes for the snowman. Finally, let's add some decorations to it. Wow! You've made a beautiful snowman! The train is about to turn. Which way do you want to go? Roger that! The train is about to turn. Please sit tight and hold on. We are arriving at the loading area. Please load the goods onto the train. tap the button to lift the goods in the box. Oops, not this one. Please try again. Great! You've loaded the goods! Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Where would you like to sit? Thanks. Huh? 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 Thanks. We are arriving at the delivery spot. Please put the goods into the lift truck. Drag the goods into the lift truck. Thank you for the delivery. The train is approaching Desert Slope. Please take all your belongings and get off in an orderly manner.
Let's have a sandboarding race!
Cool sheet.
Yeah!
Kiki. Candy. Ready. Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Great! You finished! finished the race. Let's attend the presentation of prizes. Awesome! You are the first place! The train is about to turn. Which way do you want to go? Roger that! The train is about to turn. Please sit tight and hold on. Uh-oh, the track ahead is deviated. Let's turn it to the right place. Good job, you fixed the track. Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Examine the luggage. Dangerous items are not permitted on the train. Examine firework. Firecrackers! Well done! You found all the dangerous items. Thanks! The train is approaching grassland pasture. Please take all your belongings and get off in an orderly manner.
Let's milk the cow and make some milk tea.
Cow is a little dirty. Let's clean it first. Good job! The cow is clean now. Oops, the cow is a little upset. Let's cheer it up. That's great! The cow is happy now. Next, let's milk the cow together. Tap to milk the cow. Drag the basin and move it to the right place. Now we've got milk. Let's make some milk tea. Slide the wooden pestle downward to break the brick tea. Put the brick tea into the plate. Brick tea. Milk. Butter. Salt. stir it. Great! The milk tea is ready.
Let's eat.
Please pour me a cup of milk tea. I'm so full! The food here is so good! Dear passengers, we are arriving at the terminal station. Please check your belongings before you get off.
Hi, Miss Nene.
Everyone, this is the end of our journey. See you next time.
Bye.